The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, there's two things we're going to talk about, And with that, I have some videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers as well, And we're just going to get into these videos right about now, you see me? And I'll explain to you while I move along. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, now the first thing we're going to talk about is about a confrontation, right? And with that, I'm going to present to you a video that is out on social media. And according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows up a confrontation between two persons. One of the persons is said to be the person that is recording what's going on. So that person is in the background of the video and you can hear that person's voice, and that person is recording what the female is doing and saying. You see me? Now the female has a hammer in her hands or in her hand. You see me? Whether I want to be from the next hand or the other hand, the female has a hammer. Now viewers and subscribers, if I see something like that, me not stand up, me gone. This is what I said to you. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media, and there's comments made about this video, by some persons out there, and some persons are wondering what could have caused for this female to be so angry. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I do not have any information as to where this had happened, nor when this had happened, or why this had happened. But however, viewers and subscribers, it's also on social media, and I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You see me? You can also tell me what you think could have caused for these, this whole confrontation thing to have happened. All right? Yeah, and I'm about to show the video right about now, but before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look and observe.
The pussy you come out.
Yeah, I know.
That's what.
Yeah,
Don't fuck with me this morning.
Yeah, I know.
Think anybody fucking scared you?
Scared who?
Anybody scared
I don't bother you. I stay out your way.
What you tell me? You were out my fucking life.
I out your life.
Say it again.
I out your life.
Say it again while
I
you're
sang out your
recording.
life.
You fucking say it 2 seconds ago.
So
say it
stupid.
again while you're
You're so
recording.
stupid, boy.
Say it again.
You're so stupid.
Why you can't say it now you're recording?
Leave me the hell alone.
You lie.
Leave me the hell alone.
Say it again.
I ain't got time for what you saying.
Say it again. Say it again.
I ain't do that.
Say it. Why you can't say it while you're recording? Hit me with this door. Fuck you up.
Listen, you
Hit
ain't
me
gonna
with this
try.
door.
Fuck
Hit
you
me
up.
with
Fuck
this
you
door.
up. You crazy?
No, you crazy.
What is your problem, baby?
I don't have no fucking problem.
For
This
lunch
is my
money?
house.
For money was here?
Listen to me.
You went out with lunch money?
This is my house. I will get in when I want to.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay?
Once I sleep in the end like that,
I don't give a
really long.
fuck. And you better fix that fucking back door.
Listen.
Fix that fucking back door.
You see this door? What you break?
That's yes, my door.
You Thomas that?
Yes, my door.
Where the front door comes? Yo,
My
go
door. Go look in the back of the yard. I buy these fucking doors.
Yeah, you sell other doors.
You buy any bad door in the
You
back there?
sell other doors, eh?
You say you buy any door?
Go again.
You buy any door?
Go again.
They wasn't even the original fucking doors.
I ain't that this one.
You round over door? I am simply telling you when I want to get in my fucking house.
Over there.
I will get in my house.
You ain't bothering nobody. Go
I
over
ain't
there.
say I bought it in nobody.
Go over
I
there.
ain't telling
Not
you.
this morning. I
I
ain't
will
that.
get in my fucking house.
I ain't that this
Now
morning.
you can't
Ring
understand
the doorbell,
that.
like open the
I
door for
already
you.
know fucking doorbell.
Once
This is
I
my
am here,
house.
I can be safe.
You missing the
You
point.
threaten out me kids
Ain't
before
nobody
the year out
threatening to have
and
you
all that
killed.
shit. So that's it. I can protect
It's
myself.
2020 stupid
Yeah, that's all right.
ass.
2020
Ain't nobody want you killed because I
Leave me the
you
fucking alone. Let me live, yeah?
you was dying the other fucking day.
Yeah, because you poisoned my food.
Your ma poisoned you, boy.
That's why you're sick.
Poison
You
you?
poisoned my food. Come on here, put things in my food.
You a stupid ass.
You
a
come around here,
stupid
man.
ass.
Lying to you.
Fucking stupid ass. You gonna lock me out my house?
Open the door. The door was never locked. Nah, that makes sense. Breaking the front door. The door open. The door open. The door open. No, the door open. The door open.
You play stupid games.
And now all of your friends can see this on media.
Get some motherfucker.
Now all of them can see this on media.
Don't pay my bills.
All of them can see this on media. All of them can see this on media. And be prepared for CID to come knock you up.
Stupid ass, that's my dog.
Yeah.
CID go lock me up for 20 find it.
Yeah, no problem. You break up all these glasses because you do it?
I need to get in my
No
house.
problem. No problem.
Lock the fucking door.
Listen,
Stupid
you done
dog.
threatened to have me killed. I gotta protect myself when I sleep at night.
You can't, because nobody fucking cares
Ah,
about
the
you.
police station on the report.
Nobody cares about you.
So why you over here?
Who cares?
Why you over here?
I come over here to get something.
Yo, why you over here? Ring the doorbell if the door can't open.
Ring no doorbell.
Ring the door but the door
That's
can't
my
open.
fucking house. Ring doorbell.
Ring the door
Ring
open.
doorbell at my house. Who name on this house?
Huh?
Who name on
Or
this
two
house?
on name on house.
Exactly, stupid ass.
So you didn't move out.
Stupid ass.
You,
I don't know
if you have a mansion over there, you living so good. Why you gotta come over here? Why you gotta come over here?
Why the people mansion all in your business?
Why you gotta come over here?
Why you worrying about people mansion?
Oh
Why you always gotta be worrying
Police,
about people house?
police to get the report, but you're saying it's your house. Remember,
Why?
one minute you're saying your
I
house.
ain't saying nothing about my house.
Anyhow,
You see my name on them
anyhow,
house?
all I know is at
You
the
see
end
my
of
name on them house?
at the end of the
You
day,
jealous because other people could build house?
at the
That's
end
what you're jealous
at
for?
the end of the day,
Go get a life.
I have a life. I don't fool with you.
I don't fool with you.
Why you hear that?
Because if you don't lock the fucking door, I wouldn't have to fool
All
with
right,
you.
then.
Okay?
All
Don't
right,
lock
then.
the door to my
All
fucking
right,
house because I
then.
need to
All
get
right,
in.
then. You're so bad. You break up
Simple
the
as
glass.
that.
Eh? That's too bad.
Go buy a fucking door now.
Yeah, I know. I
You
know.
better fix the fucking back door because I need to get in my house.
You need to get in your house. Yeah, you need everything, you stupid ass.
Yeah? Your mom's stupid.
Yeah, I know my mom's stupid. The same how you go and cry to when yours dead.
No, bitch.
Oh, you could be the only mom I got now. But go ahead.
My mom.
Go ahead.
You don't even know how grandchildren.
Go ahead.
Fuck your fat ass mom.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm the fucking horse you riding out. That's what.
Yeah, I know. All the neighbors know you're stupid now.
Your mother. My mother.
All the neighbors them know you're stupid now. Don't mind how nice a house you get, you still ghetto.
Pay my pay.
Yeah, you got a nice house, but you're still ghetto. You're still ghetto.
That's what you take pictures of.
You're still ghetto.
Some more pictures. And don't forget to take pictures of my beautiful landscape.
Anything else? Does this make you happy? You're so miserable, boy.
Viewers and subscribers, me nah stand up around no one acting angry with no weapon at them hand, whether it be hammer or whatsoever. No, me not have time for that, you see me? And with that, I'm going to move on to the next topic or the next thing right about now, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you two pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media, you see me? And what has been said about these two pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media is that these two pieces of videos shows of something that had happened where it is said that an Uber driver had been bitten by a passenger. A passenger bite a Uber driver, hang, teeth, bite the person, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, these two pieces of videos is out on social media where persons are wondering what could have caused something like this, is what I'm saying to you. And one of these two pieces of videos that have been put together shows of police officers and, you know, an ambulance, you see me? And I'm going to present these two pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media to you, my viewers and subscribers. And maybe you, my viewers and subscribers, can look at these two pieces of videos and tell me what you think could have caused for a passenger to have bitten a Uber driver. You see me? Alright, and as I'm about to present these two pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
See what did this here in my hands? Okay. I'm gonna take it to the destination. Okay, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it to. No, I'm gonna take it to the destination. Just stay a little bit, and I'm okay.
Oh, how are you?
Oh, who, me?
Yeah,
I'm the Uber driver.
you're no Uber driver.
Okay, what do you think I am? Oh, who do you think I am? Who do you think I am? Who do you think I am? Look what she did to my arm. Look what she did to my arm. Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay.
I'm not supposed to do what I'm supposed to do to her.
Okay, okay, we are good.
Sorry.
Okay, what do you mean sorry? Sorry after you fucked me up? Okay. Okay.
There's
Okay.
there's places I sleep at, like,
Okay.
it's not wrong.
Okay.
Well, then why did this have to go through that?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Viewers and subscribers, that's what I'm saying to you. The Uber driver got beaten. You see it? Yeah, well, I don't know, but viewers and subscribers, social media just never ceases to amaze me. You see me? It's like, there's always something there, When me think I see it all, something just always pop up and say, Jano, what is again? You see me? Yeah. Some vampire lifestyle thing that yo. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And like I said, these videos, they are out on social media, and some persons are talking about these videos. That's what I'm saying to you. I'm gonna bring it to you so that you can have a look at it and you can tell me what you think. What could have caused for things that had happened in these videos to have happened, and you can also tell me what you think overall. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and this is where I leave it. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think, and if you want to contact the Dancehall Skilla, just read the description down below the video. Alright, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.